Hey guys, welcome. It's Eric from Worship the King, and today we're doing What a Beautiful Name. Now, this is one of our last songbooks. It's really popular. You can get this. You can check the links below for that. And the new songbook is coming out just in probably 3 to 4 weeks. And so check the links in the description. It will have What a Beautiful Name. Until then, you can go right to our website for free and download the strumming chart for this song, this is going to be on the strumming chart. So what we're doing today is we're strumming just the verse, and then every day this week we're going to pick up a different part. So the verse is this. This is the pattern of the song. It has a 2 and 4 accent. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a. So down, 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 flip, okay? So it would be counted like this. T, 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 ticka, T, T. So you kind of ticka when you chord change. And you know that's how I teach. If you've done any of my lessons, if you haven't, come on over to worshiptheking.com. You can check out all the free stuff, and you can be an online student through Gold Pass. So come over there and join me with that. So let's go to the verse. We're going to break down the verse today. It's all G, just like this. You were the Word at the beginning, and one with God the Lord Most High. E minor, written glory, and I'm going to show you how to do that part. And now revealed in you are Christ. So this is a very simple pattern, just G, and then it goes C, E minor, D. So you can check out, I'll have the strumming patterns and the chord patterns on this chart. So you can follow right along with me, download that. And then this is your hidden glory in creation goes like this. Your hidden glory in creation. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how that pattern is. 3 beats on the E minor, then 1 on the D/F sharp, which is different than the D, and you gotta do that because you can push the bass. Your hidden glory in creation. So your hidden glory in creation. So watch me do this slow in this hand. Your hidden glory in creation. It's really just that top note you wanna snag there. Your hidden glory in creation, and now revealed in you are Christ. So I'm gonna write that down, but the slash sharp from the E minor, you can just pick up this finger and just touch that low note. So it doesn't have to be the whole thing either. You can just go, your hidden glory in creation. Walking note. Your hidden glory in creation. And you got it. You got it. You got it. You can do this. So when we use a note like D/F sharp, and I teach this in all of my beginner and intermediate courses on worshiptheking.com, but when we do a slash chord, we're just doing the low root note has to be kind of, has to have that little push to it. So I always use selective strumming when I do that. Your hidden glory in creation. So I just did one note, and it sounds so good like that. It sounds much better than if you're just strumming all over. So use selective strumming and do this chord progression. Make sure you download this chart, because as I'm doing these videos, I'm adding to this and I'm scanning it in this week and I'm putting it on the website. Check the video descriptions, give a big like, share, subscribe, put this on your Facebook wall, put it everywhere. God bless you guys. I will see you on the next video where we're gonna get into the chorus.